Hi YouTubers, this is a Candy built-in microwave. I'll show you this inside here. That's control down there. There's a button. That's that button there. I did the oven that just below it. So nice inside there. So is the state on this. That's the information there. That's how you open the door there for the microwave. And another thing, I like built-in appliances. I like apart from the hot point insert there, like washer dryers, apart from Whirlpool, O'Harris, and they just put the hot point hours and they're just pathetic. More designed to catch fire. You can never trust that brand. We never will. We never will. Never ever. Never trust buying model. Inside, that's your buttons there. You can have now. That's the select this auto there. Auto there. High display clock there. And this is microwave. You think there, and that's door lock mechanism there. I don't know how to place these. I don't know how to do that. I think I'm trying to look right around it. Doesn't matter. See the after.